What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play the Brightside by Lil Peep. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, when you get done, jump in the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's great for all skill levels. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel and checking out the content. Also, all the equipment that I use in the videos is linked down there as well. So if you're interested in that, you want to see like the kind of stuff that I'm using to make these videos, that's all in the description as well. So when you get done, check all that out. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, you guys, this song isn't too hard. The first chord you're going to start with is going to be your index finger on your A string on your 6th fret, pinky finger on your D string on your 8th fret. That's the first formation. Second formation, slide that all the way down to where your index finger is on the 1st fret on your A string and your pinky finger is on the 3rd fret on your D string, and then add your middle finger to your 2nd fret on your low E. Then you're jumping up here. This is going to be a little bit of a stretch if your hands are small, so this might be a little frustrating at first, but if you practice this, you should be able to eventually stretch your hand and have the strength to do this chord. So it's index finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, then your pinky finger on your 6th fret on your D string. Then for your final chord, all you're doing is sliding that index finger down 2 frets to where it's on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky finger stays on the 6th fret on your D string. Now, most of these chords are palm muted, and if you don't know what that means, what you're gonna do, this is tricky. When you're first starting out, this can be frustrating. I remember when I was first learning how to palm mute, it was pretty tricky and it was frustrating. But again, practice, practice, practice. You will get it down. So lay the base of your hand, this fleshy part right there, all this, lay that right down where the bridge of the guitar is. You don't want it way up here. That'll just deaden the strings. You want it kind of right where you can get still a little bit of that solid punch. You don't want it down here because it's going to sound like that, but if you go too far back, you won't get it. You want it right down on that sweet spot where you can still get some of that punch and you can make out what the chords are. For the palm muting of the chords, I want you to think in the rhythm 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. That's going to be your rhythm, where the 1 is emphasized. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. That's how it's going to be for all these chords. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Switch. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. This might be a little challenging for you. Take it slowly and just keep practicing, because it is going to be a little bit difficult for some of you. So I'll do it again really slowly one time through so you can really see what it looks like. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Once you have that down and you play it up to speed, it should look like this. And then if you want to get really creative, once you get that down, you can take your hand off or unpalm mute on your 1 notes and then continue palm muting the rest. That's how I played it in the beginning of the video. That looks like this. So on your down notes, on your emphasis, on your 1s of the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, on your 1s, you're going to take your hand off and then put it back on for the 2 3. Now Now there is a little bit of a picking pattern that happens during the song. That looks like it's using the same exact chords. Your second chord, it's the same chord, but it's on a different part of the fretboard. So right here is your first one. You're just picking your A and your G string. Just 1, 2, 1, 2, A, G, A, G. And now you're gonna use that same formation, but bring it down to your low E. So your index finger is on your low E string on your 6th fret, and your pinky finger is on your 8th fret on your A. And then jump to that third chord. These two are still the same. And you're just alternating your picking between your A and your G. Just A, G, 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 A, G. If it helps to think of like 1, 2, that's fine too, but you're literally just A and G on all of them. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Again, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below before you leave. Also, any questions or comments, concerns, or any other songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave all that in the comments section below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you guys in the next video.